Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading Action by InTheMoneyStocks. My name is Nick Santiago. Today is October 13, 2015. Stock that I'm going to talk about today is VMware. This stock was a spin-off from EMC a long time ago, and it's been a very, very good trading company, but lately it has come under severe selling pressure. And you're going to see right now the stock is trading around $69.11. Recently, there was some news just over the last few days that Dell has bought out EMC, and they're going to put out a tracking stock on VMware. So the stock really has not performed well at all regarding the recent news from Dell buying out EMC. But we're not here to look at that. We're here to look at the charts and see where this stock would become a bargain and where would it be, where would be a level where we could look to get involved. So the first thing we want to do now is, if you look at the daily chart, stock is making new lows. Any way you slice it or dice it, it's just not a pretty chart. It is a little bit overextended, so it may be due for a short-term bounce. But when you take a look at the weekly chart, and we just scroll back the hands of time here, if I could just get this to move over a little bit. There we go. You'll see that around the $65 level, there is going to be some near-term support. So that's one level we would look at. But let's go a little bit past that and look at a monthly chart of this stock. And one thing you'll see here is the low pivot. If you go back all the way to June of 2013, the low pivot there is around 64.86. So we have a nice double bottom at 65. There could be a bounce level there. I think traders would want to watch that area. $65 should give you at least a tradable bounce. But let's find the real level where this stock really looks intriguing to us. Now, if we go back, remember the stock debuted in 2007, September 2007. If we go back, the first real test was a test low of $58 and $41.41. That was a real test low. Then if you go back on the chart and you look over here, you're going to see that this is where the stock broke down. Had a nice breakout bar here, couldn't hold it, it broke down. So we know that we got to look somewhere in this area right here. See that red candle and that green candle going all the way back to 2008? That's the first clue that tells us we're going to look inside of here. Now if you take a look at the bottom, stock bottomed out in 2008 under $20 a share. Then it starts to rally. It gets all the way up towards this red bar high, and it comes back down. That low right there was $51.23. So we know this is generally where the market wants to go. So if the stock falls down, you're going to look between $51 and $56. That's going to be your entry place to get into VMware. This is where the institutions bought this thing up. This is where they rallied it. Prior, this is where they took it, and next time around, just look for around the $55 level. That should be an excellent buying opportunity on VMware. Remember, the institutions, they're the ones that make this stock go up. It's not the guy at home with a small E-Trade account that likes VMware. It's the institutional money. And this, according to what I can see on the charts, tells me that this is where the institutions got involved in a big way, and they're not going to give it up just like that, because a lot of these guys are in for long periods. And again, they see the stock get down to this level right around $55, $56. That's where they will be jumping in. So near term, yeah, you'll probably get a little bit of a short-term bounce around 65. But if you want to own this stock for a longer period, you're going to be looking down around 55, 56 bucks. That should be an excellent buying opportunity. All right, with that being said, everybody, hope everybody enjoyed today's trade lesson. If you want to learn more, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the Research Center. You'll get all of my nightly cycle work. You'll get all of our trade setups. You'll also be able to come over to our No Hype Live broadcast, which we hold twice a week. Ask as many questions as the time allots. And again, it's just a great feature and a great value. So come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the Research Center, and you'll get all of this and more. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.